of St. Sebastian Church, Belmanoor, as our chief guest, Headmistress Sister Anita, Primary Section in charge Sister Evangelist Patsy, KG Section in charge Sister Evangelist staff, teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear friends, a warm welcome to you all. The fruit of silence is prayer. The fruit of silence, the fruit of silence is prayer. The fruit of silence is faith. The fruit of faith is love, and the fruit of love is silence, says Mother Teresa. I kindly request the gathering for the inaugural worship.
There are things that only mean for students and their studies. And these things are very important in the all-round development of students, such as school bag, pen, pencil, scale, etc. In the same way, in the institution of education, cabinet plays an important role, and all the members of the school parliament are important for the development of school. Now, when I call out the names of the ministers of the cabinet, each minister will come forward with the symbol of school accessory. It is a great instrument to gain knowledge. Education Minister, Pooja and Peter. Prinsita and Sandhya with the symbol of moral books. Speakers will stand for truth without taking sides of ruling or opposite parties. Secretary Vamshit and Yashraj with the symbol of pen, which indicates to jot down the reports. Opposite party leader Shivasaurav and Divya with the symbol of scale, they are to see that the ruling party does its responsibility well. Discipline ministers Mauna and Yashwin with the symbol of sharpener, as the sharpener is used to sharpen the pencil, so the discipline team will see the discipline of school. Trapti and Shazia with the symbol of water bottle, as the water is important to the health, so the health minister will see to the cleanliness and hygiene of students. Sports, Ibrahim and Tanvir with the symbol of ball indicates games and sports are important in the life of students. Cultural, Sanjana and Shraddha with the symbol of sketch pens, as there are variety colors of sketch pen, so each student is filled with the variety of talents. ASL, Nihal D'Souza and lead boy Tanish with the symbol of pencil and eraser. In the pencil, what is there inside is more important than the outer cover. Also, eraser gives another opportunity to mend our mistakes. SPN, Alson D'Souza and lead girl Nishmita with the symbol of school bag. School bag contains all the study materials that the student require. So, SPL and lead girl will keep all the members of the parliament united. Now, all the ministers along with their symbols will come forward and place the symbols in the bag of SPL. The President of the day, Reverend Father Steiner Pinto, will honor the school cabinet minister with the sashes and their police SPN, Alson D'Souza. Secretary Vamshit. Sports Minister Ibrahim Shah. Health Minister Trapti. Cultural Minister Sanjana. Education Minister Pooja. Education Minister, Tanvi. Discipline Minister, Yashvik. Opposite Party Leader, Divya.
The school parliament member of St. Sebastian English Medium School, Permanur, pledge myself before the guests, the teachers, and the students who have gathered here, that I follow the rules and regulations of this institution and abide by them. I will be sincere in carrying out my given responsibilities. May God help us to be true to it. Kindly put down your hands and go back to your places.
Before you, behalf of my parliament member, good afternoon to respected father, sister, and my all dear teachers and all my dear friends. Parliament is important to improve the discipline of the school. It includes the members such as SPL, ASPL, Speaker, Secretary, and all the ministers. These ministers will see the discipline and rules of the school. We will impartial of the school. We will in our duties and try to do our level best throughout this academic year. Thank you. Our class to motivate each other with their different skills. I request all the classmates in charge teachers to come forward along with the club president and secretaries.
Nick
देना इतबार, डर लगता है अपनों से दे देना इज़हार। मैं चाँद हूँ या नाग हूँ, मैं राख हूँ या आग हूँ, मैं बूंद हूँ या हूँ लहर, मैं हूँ सुकून या हूँ कहर।
Are most at the risk of violence from men, particularly in the family. Rape and sexual torture are used as weapons of war. Violence against women is a public health problem. It can be prevented. Stop violence against women. Make peace. Stop violence. Don't let their lives end before it even begins. Men are gifted with strength in order to protect women. Girls are the spirit of a nation. Save them and stop their exploitation. Saving girl child is like saving the upcoming generation. When you kill a girl, you kill many others. Break the silence before it's too late. Violence against women is an everyday reality. Act now and forever before it's too late. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Stop the war on women. Break the silence on men's violence. She is a woman, she is a mother. She is a daughter, she is a wife. She is a sister. Respect female. Say no to women and child abuse. Thank you.
Put me on,
when we plant trees and show the love to our nature.
Trees says, do not cut us. Now here are friends to perform a dance about nature.
मुझसे एहसासों की तुझ में रवानी, बहना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मुझसे एहसासों की तुझ में रवानी, बहना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। God.
where we had the club inauguration and the activities by the clubs. Later we have the Vanamotsav program. So this is a Tridum celebration that we are having here. My dear children, my dear staff and my dear friends, a school is not just a place to learn, it's a place to play, to learn and to grow. The institution here at St. Sebastian gives this opportunity not only to learn subjects in the class, but also to have activities where it makes the overall development of a child. And that is what is called the holistic approach of our education system. And that is what we proclaim, that is what we always advocate. The holistic education of a child. And for that reason, these clubs and also the cabinet setup that we have helps this child to grow. I would like to congratulate all the teachers who have taken their keen interest and efforts to put up this program. So congratulations to all. All the best to the cabinet members who have been invested here, taken oath, so that this year becomes a fruitful one. Congratulations to all the club members, the heads of the club, and also the students who have been actively participated in the program today. It was a well-knit program, as I would say, because most of the themes were based on the nature. This shows the interest that you have in preserving the nature. My dear students, let us give a round of applause to all the students who have performed here. Give them a nice clap. Give them nice claps to your teachers and to your HM here, so that they feel encouraged to have many more programs in the coming years. At the last, congratulations to all of you and all the best those who are taking the responsibility, and also all the best to all the tiny students here. Congratulations, thank you and all the best.
First and foremost, I thank God for the bountiful blessings upon
bottom of my heart. I thank this President, Reverend Father Stanley Pinto, for spending his precious time and for your valuable words. Thank you, dear Father.
I render my thanks to Reverend Father Lysel Joy for his great presence and for being our chief guest. Thank you, dear Father. I would like to thank our headmistress, Sister Anita, Sister Patsy, in charge of primary section, Sister Evangelista, in charge of KG section, for your encouragement, kind interest and cooperation. Thank you, dear sisters.
I would like to thank all the teachers and non-teaching staff for guiding us and training us. Thank you, dear teachers.
Hearty thanks to all my friends for your kind cooperation. Thank you, one and all.